Which soft-serve ice cream machine is actually good? Simple question, but you might be overwhelmed by all the options out there. Today, let's cut through the noise and find the ones that truly deliver the creamy goodness you crave. Product number 1, Frostline Vanilla Soft Serve Mix. First up, we have the Frostline Vanilla Soft Serve Ice Cream Mix. Priced at around $33.29, this product instantly caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 4,500 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating. If you want to whip up delicious soft serve without the fuss, this is worth a serious look. Just add water or your choice of dairy, and you can make creamy soft serve at home with your ice cream machine. Plus, it's lactose-free and gluten-free, making it a great choice for anyone with dietary restrictions. The long shelf life of up to 18 months means you can stock up and always have some on hand when the soft-serve cravings hit. Now, some people complained about the flavor not being as rich as traditional dairy mixes. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a quick and easy soft-serve solution that's also diet-friendly, this mix definitely holds its ground. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free way to create soft serve at home. Skip this one if you're strictly after gourmet flavors typically found in ice cream shops. For the price, it's a great value for a family treat. Now, if Frostline's mix didn't quite meet your flavor expectations, the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more versatile machine. Product number 2, Hi Cozy F3 Slushy and Soft Serve Machine. Next, let's talk about the Hi Cozy F3 Slushy Machine, which retails for about $339.99. This caught my attention with its sleek design and self-cleaning feature. If you want a machine that does it all, this is worth a serious look. You can whip up your favorite icy treats without needing ice, and thanks to its Quickcool technology, it cools down ingredients quickly, so you'll be enjoying your soft serve in no time. This machine also offers 5 different modes, so you can customize your treat to your heart's content. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit noisy while running. But honestly, if you're excited about making slushies and soft serve for a party, a little noise is a small price to pay for the fun you'll have. This is perfect for you if you're looking to impress your friends with a variety of frozen treats. Skip this one if you want something smaller and less feature-packed. It's a solid investment for its capabilities. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might be just what you need if you're on a budget but still want high-quality ice cream. Product number 3, Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker. The Nostalgia Electric Ice Cream Maker is up next, and it comes in at a very affordable $39.99. This one really caught my attention because of its retro design and user-friendly approach. If you want a simple way to make homemade ice cream, this is worth a serious look. Here's the deal, this machine can make up to 4 quarts of ice cream in just 20 minutes, which is perfect for family gatherings. You don't have to do any heavy lifting either. The powerful motor does all the work while you kick back and relax. It pairs perfectly with Nostalgia's ice cream kits for some extra flavor options, so you can get creative with your treats. Some users did note that the mixing paddle can be a bit hard to clean. But look, if you're making ice cream for the fun of it, a little cleanup is worth it for the joy of homemade treats. This is perfect for you if you love hosting summer parties or just want a fun family activity. Skip this one if you want something that makes soft serve specifically. For the price, it's hard to beat the value you'll get. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more advanced, check out the next product that promises even more versatility in your dessert making. Product number 4, Ninja Creamy Scoop and Swirl Ice Cream Maker. Next up is the Ninja Creamy Scoop and Swirl Ice Cream Maker, priced at $299.99. I was genuinely surprised by all the features this machine packs. If you want a top-of-the-line machine that makes a variety of frozen treats, this is worth a serious look. This machine offers 13 different programs, including 6 dedicated soft-serve options. With features like Creamify technology, it creates smooth textures and lets you customize ingredients for lower-calorie or vegan options. Plus, the 2 included 2-in-1 pints make it easy to store your creations. If you like to experiment with flavors and textures, this machine has got you covered. Now, some people found it a bit complicated at first. But I'll be real with you, once you get the hang of it, the customization options are totally worth it for the unique treats you can create. This is perfect for you if you're serious about homemade desserts and love trying new recipes. Skip this if you want something super straightforward. For the variety it offers, it's a great investment. Now, if you're looking for something that combines slushies and soft serve into one, let's check out the final product. Product number 5, SYINTAO2 in 1 Slushy and Soft Serve Maker. Last but not least, we have the SYINTAO2 in 1 Slushy and Soft Serve Ice Cream Maker, which is priced at $159.98. This one is intriguing because it combines 2 machines in one. If you want a versatile appliance without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this machine is its no ice needed technology, meaning it freezes your ingredients directly inside the vessel, which eliminates the hassle of using ice and prevents dilution. The 96 Oz capacity is perfect for making multiple servings at once, so it's ideal for parties. The 6 preset modes take the guesswork out of creating different types of treats, ensuring you get the perfect texture every time. However, some users mention that it can take a bit longer than expected to freeze certain mixtures. Here's the thing though, as long as you give it the right ingredients and some time, the results can be deliciously satisfying. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one machine for different treats. Skip this one if you're looking for professional level results. For the price and versatility, it stands out as a solid choice. So there you have it, the top 5 soft serve ice cream machines. We started with the easy Frostline mix, moved to the versatile High-Cozy F3, then the nostalgic Nostalgia Maker, followed by the advanced Ninja Creamy, and wrapped up with the functional SYINTAO. Each has its perks, so pick the one that fits your needs and enjoy some delicious homemade soft serve.